Okay, here are the units. Here we have a Carrier one that looks like a Bristol compressor. The data, here it is, from 1999. It's a 38 CKC. It's a 5-ton. Here's the next one. Got a Bristol compressor, I think. This one is from 2000 and it's a 38 CKC. It's a 5-ton. Here we have a giant unit. Now this guy was like just on. Line's not really that cold, that's hot. So this is the compressor in there. It was like 12-ton from 2013. Here's this one, the Carrier split system. That's a Carrier Gemini. This one is like just running. They actually got the shutdown of it. I haven't posted the video yet. There's I think that's the compressor right there. That's the compressor. I know it's a really weird looking one. And here we have the data. It's from 1999. It's probably a 13-ton. Compressor in it. Well, that's all for today. Bye. But plus the generator. Just a generator. Yeah. That's all for today.